Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video we are going to solve word problems based on linear equations. So this will be our last part video, and thus we are going to start from question number 41. So our question number 41 is, Raman has 3 times as money as Kamal. If Raman gives rupees 750 to Kamal, then Kamal will have twice as much money as left with Raman. So therefore you have to find out how much had each originally. So this is our question. So now I solved it. Answer. So first you write originally. Money with Kamal. So let it be X. And therefore now I find therefore originally money with Raman equals to. So it will become 3x, as it is given in the question that Raman has 3 times as money as Kamal. So now I frame out equations like this. So first write X, that is the originally money with Kamal, plus 750, as Raman is giving rupees 750 to Kamal, so there will be an increase in the money with Kamal. Is equals to, it is given in the question that he has twice as much money as left with Raman. So twice and 3x. So as Raman is giving rupees 750 to Kamal, then from his net amount rupees 750 will be deducted. So it will be 2 into 3x minus 750. So this is our equation. So now I solve this. First we had x plus 750 equals to 2 into 3x, that will be 6x, minus 2 into 750, it will become minus 1500. Or you can write x, 6x we take to this side, so it becomes minus 6x equals to minus 1500, and plus 750 if we take to this side, so it becomes minus 750. So it becomes x minus 5x, it becomes minus 5x equals to minus 2250. So I can write x equals to minus 2250 by minus 5. Then first we cut the minus, then we cut 5 and 2250, which becomes x equals to 450. So therefore money with Kamal equals to, that we have taken as x, so it will become rupees 450, and therefore money with Raman, that we have taken as 3x, so it becomes 3 into 450, that is rupees 1350. So originally money with Kamal is rupees 450, and originally money with Raman it is rupees 1350. So this is our final answer. So our next question, that is question number 42. It is the angles of a triangle are in the ratio 2:3:4. Find the angles. So this is our question. So now we solve this. First we write that ratio of angles equals to, so it is given 2 is to 3 is to 4. So now therefore let the angles equals to, so we write it as 2x, 3x, 4x. So let 2x, 3x and 4x are the angles of our triangle. So now we know sum of three angles of a triangle is always 180 degree. So therefore from our equation, therefore 2x plus 3x plus 4x equals to 180, or you can write 9x equals to 180, or x equals to 180 by 9. Now if we cut it, it becomes x equals to 20. So therefore our first angle, so we have taken it as 2x, so it becomes 2 into 20 into 2, that is 40 degree. Therefore our second angle, that I have taken as 3x, so it will become 20 into 3, that is 60 degree. And therefore our third angle, that you have taken as 4x, so it becomes 20 into 4, that is 80 degree. So 40 degree, 60 degree and 80 degree is the angles of our triangle, and this is our final answer. That is question number 43. It is a certain number of men can finish a piece of work in 50 days. If there are 7 more men, the work can be completed in 10 days earlier. So I have to find out how many men were originally there. So this is our question. So now solve this. First we write our answer, that is originally number of men equals to, let it be x. So therefore after 7 more men, number of men equals to, so x is the original men, so if 7 is more men is added to x, so it will become x plus 7. So now you write, therefore x means 1 day work. So x men can complete the whole work in 50 days. So therefore if they will work together, so in 1 day their work will be therefore 1 by 50. So 1 divided by 50, and therefore x plus 7 means 1 day work equals to, so it is given the question that they will take 10 days earlier to finish the work. So it will be 1 by 50 minus 10, that will be 1 by 40. So now you write, therefore in first case that is this case, it will be 1 man's 1 day work. So X men can complete the work, 1 day work is 1 by 50. So therefore 1 man 1 day work, it will become 1 by 50 into X, that will be 50X, 1 by 50X. And the second case, 1 man's 1 day work equals to, second case means X plus 7, that is 1 by 40. So it will be equals to 1 by, that will be 40 into X, 40 into X into 1 of X plus 7. So you write it 40 into X plus 7. So now frame our equation. So the value of X will be equal to 1 by 50X equals to 1 by 40 X plus 7. So first we'll do cross multiplication. So there is 1, so no need to write the multiplication. So you write only 40 X plus 7. So because 1 into 40 into X plus 7, so it becomes 40 into X plus 7, no need to write the 1. And 50 will go for multiplication with this one, so it becomes 50X only. So now I write 40 into X, that will be 40X. 40 into 7 plus 7, that will be plus 280 equals to 50X. Or you can write 40X. Now 50X we take it to this side, so it becomes minus 50X equals to minus 280. So it becomes, so 40X minus 50X, it becomes minus 10X equals to minus 280, which becomes X equals to minus 280 by minus 10. So first we cut the minus, then I cut 0 and 0. So it becomes X equals to 28. So originally there were 28 men, and 28 is our final answer for this question. So our next question, that is question number 44. It is divide 600 into 2 parts such that 40% of one exceeds 60% of the other, either by 120. So this is our question. So now I solve this. So first we write our answer. Now I write let one part. So this is the first part, so let it be X. So therefore other part. So if 600 is divided into two numbers and one part is X, so the other part will definitely become 600 minus X. So now from our equation. So in the question it is given, it is 40% of one exceeds 60% of the other. So therefore we can write 40% is greater than 60%. So 40% of 1, that means of X, we put it in bracket, minus, now second bracket we give 6 minus 60% of, now again in bracket 600 minus X of the other. It is given the question, it is equal to 120. So this is our equation. So now I solve this. Now 40% of X, that means we can write it as 40X by 100. As 40% means 40 by 100 into X, that will be 40X by 100 minus, now in this line we can write 60 by 100 and we keep 600 minus X in bracket, as this will be easier for us to calculate, equals to, now first we cut these numbers. So first 100, 0 and 0 we cut. Now we cut 4 and 10 by 2, that will be 2 by 5. And here also 1, 0 and 0 we cut. Now 3 by 5 by cut with 2. So it becomes 2 by 5X minus, now here it becomes minus 3 by 5. We do it in the rough first. Minus 3 by 5. Now with each of these numbers we have to multiply with minus 3 by 5. The first by 600 we multiply, so it becomes minus 3 by 5 into 600. Now I cut it, that is 120. So it becomes minus 3 into 120, that will be minus 360. So I put it here, that will be minus 360. And again minus 3 by 5 into x into minus x as it is given in the question. So minus 3 into minus x, so it will become plus. So it becomes 3x by 5 plus 3x by 5. So plus 3x by 5 we put here equals to 120. So equals to, right, 2x by 5 plus 3x by 5. Now it minus 360 to this side, so it becomes 120 plus 360. So now I take 5 as our LCM and write up 2x plus 3x. That means 2x plus 3x by 5 equals to, so it becomes 120 plus 360, it becomes 480. So equals to 5x by 5 equals to 480, or you can write here that 5x equals to 480 into 5, or x equals to 480 into 5 by 5. We do not multiply here as it will be easier for us to cut. So we simply cut 5 and 5. So our answer x equals to 480, it is coming 480. So therefore our first part, so that we have taken as x, so it will be 480, and therefore our second part, that we have taken as 600 minus x, it becomes 600 minus 480, that is 120. So our first part is 480 and our second part is 120, and this is our final answer. Next question, that is question number 45. It is, a workman is paid rupees 150 for each day he worked, and is fined rupees 50 for each day he remained absent. In a month of 30 days, he earned rupees 2100. So therefore I have to find out for how many days he remained absent. So this is our question. So we solve this. First we write our answer. Now I write the number of days he remained absent. So let it be x day, number of days, and therefore the days he remained present. So as there in a month there is 30 days and x number of days is absent, so therefore the number of days he is present, it will be 30 minus x. And I write down for one day he is paid equals to he is paid rupees 150. So therefore first we are finding the amount that he gets for his work, that means for the days he was present. So therefore the number of days he remained present is 30 minus x. So therefore for 30 minus x day he is paid equals to, so it will become 150 into 30 minus x, and therefore one day he was fined equals to rupees 50. So therefore for the x number of days he remained absent, so therefore for x day he was fined equals to, so that will be 50 into x, that will be 50x. So now frame our equation. Therefore first we write the number of days that he remained absent present, as it will be definitely greater than the number of days he remained absent. So it becomes 150 into 30 minus x minus that number of days he remained absent, that is 50x, and for this he received rupees 2100, so we write it as equals to 2100. So it becomes 150 into 30, it becomes 4500 minus 150 into minus x, that is 150x minus 50x equals to 2100. Now I write minus 150x minus 50x equals to 2100, and we take plus 4500 to this side, so it becomes minus 4500, or it becomes now minus 150x minus 50x, it becomes minus 200x equals to, and if we subtract it, it becomes minus 2400. So now I write therefore x equals to minus 2400 by minus 200. So first he cut the minus, then he cut the zeros. So there now he cut 2 and 24, that is 12. So x equals to 12. As for a 12th number of days he remained absent, and this is our final answer. So guys, thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel for more solutions.